Go pick him up now.
You will?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Get to pick him. There's 4 little puppies.
Slow inside, we love the twinkle in your eyes. Your tiny paws, your mighty stride. You made us laugh and made us smile. From tiny pup to faithful friend, your playful spirit knew no end. You thought yourself a canine king, no matter what the day would bring. With perky ears and wagging tail, your brave heart never seemed to fail. Our little big dog, Kikko cute, always exploring something new, chasing scents down every trail. They were your version of email. Our little big dog, oh so kind. Forever you'll be on our mind. Remember walks through worlds so wide, so many smells you'd sniffed and stride. In younger days a furry blur, dodging big dogs and playful stir. A flash of fur, a sudden turn, lessons those bigger dogs would learn. Our little big dog, Kikko cute, always exploring something new, chasing scents down every trail. They were your version of email. Our little big dog, oh so kind. Forever you'll be on our mind. A rabbit dashed, a squirrel fled, as you would chase them round the shed. And when Coyote came to call, you stood your ground, you had the gall to corner him under the deck and bark till Sandra came to check. Though fruit could be a fickle thing, you flavors made your spirit sing. From kibble dry to honey sweet, you had your favorite kinds of treats. Our little bit dog, Kikko cute, always exploring something new, chasing scents down every trail. They were your version of email. Our little bit dog, oh so kind. Forever you'll be on our mind. Claudia and Sandra, Randy and Ethan, we'll love you always true every season. We'll miss your bark, your loving gaze. You're in our hearts through all our days.